Invoice number V8032. Today's date is September 20th, 2023. We are video inspecting the family room fireplace. It is a 13 by 13 flue. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video. Proceeding down scan now.
Let me get it. There's of course the flue tile. You see some cement shooting into the flue. You also have an area that has a little bit of a gap just past the cement. The third stage creosote is starting to flow in this structure. It's a lot thicker up top. You can see how that creosote is just bouncing the light back. And this can be caused due to unseasoned wood, any wet wood, any pine. I leave this type of byproduct in here. And you see again how thick it is. You really can't tell what's going on within the structure itself due to all the third stage creosote that is present within here. Third stage creosote is also highly combustible. Very thick. Daylight is present still. We do start to offset now. You can see at that offset there is some cement that was dropped and never removed. All these globs. And that's on the offset. Again, creosote is very thick in here. More cement shooting into the flue. Should probably just drop down. We do have a large break within the flue. You can see there's gaps. A lot of voids right there. That mortar joint. I'm going to recommend a poultice creosote remover be applied to the interior of this flue. And after all creosote is removed and eradicated, I would then recommend another video inspection to properly diagnose and identify any issues within this flue. Approximate height is, flue tile to flue tile is approximately 20 feet tall in height. Defects have been observed, and that does conclude the video inspection for today.